Hi guys, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how can we do image correction in Microsoft Excel. So let's suppose this is the image that we have imported, and now we'll just select it and click on this format. This is a picture tools. When you click on this format, the second option that will come in this adjust group, that is correction. Just click on that, and just after clicking, some options will be there to correct the brightness and the sharpness and the softness. According to your need, according to your comfort, just select it and it will be applied. So this way you can correct an image, guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.